Ruijie laser collaborative robots focus on pain points in welding scenarios and are aimed at future flexible intelligent welding solutions. Our welding collaborative robots have emerged accordingly. With advanced force control and vision technology, it easily handles complex weld seams and diverse workpieces, quickly switches production tasks, and the intuitive graphical programming and drag-and-drop teaching functions allow frontline operators to quickly deploy and adjust welding tasks. No safety fences are needed. Humans and robots share the workspace, achieving complementary advantages between man and machine and optimizing production processes. What we provide is not just a piece of equipment, but a complete solution to enhance the intelligence level of your welding workshop. It greatly lowers the threshold for use. After simple training, ordinary workers can become proficient within 10 minutes, easily handling the welding requirements of different workpieces, significantly shortening equipment commissioning time, making welding operations more efficient, easier to master, and quickly adaptable to flexible production line needs. Welding laser collaborative robots handle emergency scenarios on maintenance sites, equipped with a practical magnetic base that does not require complex installation procedures. The base can securely hold a workpiece. In the era of large-scale manufacturing, efficiency and quality are at the core of competitiveness. Breaking free from the limitations of traditional welding, Welding laser welding collaborative robots reshape mass welding production with their precise, efficient, and stable performance. No need to stop, operates continuously 24 hours. Welding speed increased by over 200%. Easily handles large orders, significantly shortens production cycles, and accelerates delivery.